Hi everyone, this is Ashley Davis and this is my YouTube channel. Today is Thursday, February 15, 2023 at 6 o'clock in the morning here in the Philippines. The weather was very good, but the temperature was cold. That is why I'm wearing sweatshirt. I'm here now in Poultry Supply, the store, so I buy food for my cat. I am a poor parent. And now we are here at the nearest market from home. It's so early in the morning, so the other store were still closed. And now I am going back at home because my dog and cats are crying for their foods. They are hungry already. Thank you for watching.